Backyard design ideas. Enhancing your outdoor oasis with a small fountain or waterfall. Creating an inviting outdoor space is essential for homeowners looking to transform their backyard into a serene haven. A well-designed backyard not only enhances the overall aesthetic appeal of your property but also provides a tranquil retreat for relaxation and entertainment. In this article, we will explore the captivating world of backyard design ideas, focusing on the incorporation of small fountains and waterfall features. Whether you have a limited space or a sprawling garden, these design ideas will help you elevate your outdoor ambience to new heights. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your engagement greatly helps us in delivering more high-quality content. Thank you for your continued support. Understanding backyard design. When embarking on a backyard renovation, it is important to have a clear vision of your desired outdoor decor. Backyard design encompasses various elements, including landscaping, garden design, and the integration of water features. By carefully planning and implementing these design ideas, you can create a harmonious outdoor space that reflects your personal style while maximizing functionality. Small fountain, a timeless classic. A small fountain is a versatile addition to any backyard, offering both visual appeal and soothing sounds. With a wide range of designs available, you can choose a fountain that complements your existing landscape and fits seamlessly into your outdoor oasis. From elegant stone fountains to contemporary metal designs, the options are endless. Incorporating a small fountain into your backyard design not only adds a touch of sophistication but also serves as a focal point, drawing attention to your carefully curated outdoor space. Waterfall feature, embracing nature's beauty. For those seeking a more dramatic and natural aesthetic, a waterfall feature can be the perfect choice. A backyard waterfall adds a sense of tranquility and blends harmoniously with surrounding plant life. The sound of cascading water creates a serene ambience that transports you to a peaceful oasis. Whether you opt for a small cascading waterfall or a larger, multi-tier design, this backyard water feature will undoubtedly become the centerpiece of your outdoor aesthetic. Integrating water features with landscaping. To achieve a cohesive backyard design, it is essential to seamlessly integrate water features with your landscaping. Consider incorporating lush greenery, colorful flowers, and strategically placed rocks around your fountain or waterfall. This harmonious blend of elements will create a visually stunning and captivating outdoor space. By carefully selecting plants that thrive in your climate and complement the overall design, you can achieve a balance between the water feature and the surrounding landscape. Maintenance and longevity. While small fountains and waterfall features add immense beauty to your backyard, it is important to consider their maintenance requirements. Regular cleaning, checking water levels, and ensuring proper functioning of the pumps are vital for the longevity and optimal performance of these water features. Additionally, incorporating eco-friendly practices such as using recycled water or installing solar-powered pumps can help reduce maintenance efforts and conserve natural resources. Backyard design is a creative endeavor that allows you to transform your outdoor space into a personal sanctuary. By incorporating small fountains or waterfall features, you can elevate your backyard renovation to new heights. The soothing sounds and captivating visuals of these water features create a tranquil ambience, turning your backyard into an inviting outdoor oasis. Remember to carefully plan your design, integrate water features with your landscaping, and maintain them regularly to ensure their longevity. Embrace the beauty of nature and create a backyard that not only delights the eyes but also rejuvenates the soul. Please consider supporting our channel by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. Your engagement greatly helps us in delivering more high-quality content. Thank you for your continued support. Creating an enchanting outdoor space is every homeowner's dream. A well-designed backyard can serve as a tranquil retreat, offering a perfect blend of beauty and serenity. In this article, we will explore captivating design ideas for incorporating a small fountain or waterfall into your backyard, elevating its appeal and creating an outdoor oasis that exudes elegance and charm. Understanding backyard design. Emphasizing outdoor decor. Outdoor spaces are an extension of your home, and an impeccably designed backyard can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of your property. Landscaping as a foundation. A well-thought-out landscape plan serves as the foundation for any backyard design. Consider the size, shape, and topography of your outdoor space to ensure a cohesive and visually appealing layout. Garden design ideas. The power of water features. Integrating a small fountain or waterfall as a central element in your backyard design can instantly elevate its ambience and create a soothing environment. Choosing the right water feature. Small fountains. Ideal for compact spaces, small fountains add a touch of elegance and provide a soothing sound of flowing water. Waterfall features. For those seeking a more dramatic effect, a waterfall feature can bring a sense of tranquility, transforming your backyard into a breathtaking oasis. Backyard renovation tips. Assessing space and budget. Before embarking on any backyard renovation project, carefully evaluate the available space and set a realistic budget to ensure a successful transformation. Harmonizing with existing features. Incorporating a small fountain or waterfall should seamlessly blend with your existing outdoor elements, such as patios, walkways, and plant beds. Lighting and plant selection. Enhance the beauty and ambience of your water feature by strategically placing lighting fixtures and selecting plants that complement the overall design. Transforming your backyard into an outdoor oasis featuring a small fountain or waterfall can create a serene and visually stunning space. By incorporating the right design ideas, carefully planning your outdoor decor, and harmonizing with existing features, you can achieve a backyard renovation that surpasses your expectations. Embrace the calming sound of flowing water, the lush greenery, and the soothing ambience, and create an outdoor aesthetic that becomes your personal sanctuary. Let your backyard become a reflection of your style and a place where you can unwind, relax, and reconnect with nature. With careful thought and professional design, your backyard can truly become an outdoor oasis. Transform your backyard into a tranquil outdoor sanctuary with a charming small fountain or mesmerizing waterfall. By skillfully incorporating meticulous design ideas, strategic outdoor decor planning, and seamless integration with existing features, you can elevate your backyard renovation to new heights. Immerse yourself in the soothing symphony of flowing water and the vibrant hues of lush greenery. Discover the true essence of serenity right in your own backyard. Our team of professionals has carefully curated the best design ideas and outdoor decor tips to help you achieve a backyard renovation that will surpass your expectations. By harmonizing with existing features and incorporating the right elements, you can create a tranquil retreat that will leave your guests in awe.